Hi there. I am discussing the preening behavior of mallard ducks. I am going to start by describing this particular behavior in the footage I have collected. Tinbergen's 4 levels of analysis was very beneficial for reviewing this behavior I have chosen. My evolutionary hypothesis is that this preening behavior is common and shared among many different bird species. The ducks begin by slightly fluffing and spreading its feathers, using their bill as a tool for nibbling, plucking, itching, or picking through their feathers. In the article by Sarah Bush and Dale Clayton, they studied how effective preening was for removing parasites and keeping their feathers in good condition. During observation, my causation hypothesis is that when feathers become separated or wet, the beak is used to reposition the feathers. The behavior with using their bills were studied in an experiment that Van Rheen did in 1977, which was based on the body area contacted with the bill and the form in which they did the preening. With their head and beak, they pick up oil from their oil gland near their tail and spread through their feathers so that they won't get wet. My hypothesis regarding the developmental analysis is when mother ducks are practicing a form of imprinting on the ducklings, so that they can develop the behaviors of preening. After reading the article of 2017 by Jonathan Green, this behavior is called allopreening, when the grooming and preening process is given to offspring by the parent. During further research, the mother duck would come and provide food for her ducklings and preen them while they eat. At the age of 2 months, ducks are able to be independent and produce oil for their own feathers. This behavior is learned, and they were not born with the ability to preen. Following my observation, preening enables mallard ducks to maintain dry. This could be an adaptive function of survival to keep themselves warm and therefore survive. It is also researched and observed that those who are able to take care of their feathers well are chosen as mates and are able to pass down their genes to more offspring. In the article by Paul Jongard of 1968, he mentions that several different postures and calls are used while mating. One of these is body maintenance, such as preening or shaking. These preening techniques of the mallard duck have been beneficial to increase the overall fitness of their species. They do this behavior when they are triggered by a physiological response due to a stimulus or sensation on the body. Local stimuli may trigger and lead to preening. As you can see through my video, several of the ducks have been preening themselves, which is an example of the nervous system controlled behavior, which we learned about in Module 9 in this animal behavior course. This concludes my video analysis of the preening of mallard ducks. Thank you for watching.